Hi, it's Tracy. Welcome to lesson 5 of our bridge lessons. It's a reasonably short one because we did a test in class. We're going to learn a little bit more about how to find a fit with your partner, and to do that we need to discuss the shape of different hands you may hold. And what we mean by shape is how many cards you have in each suit, and that may determine which bids you can make and how to describe your hand better to partner. So the first kind of hand is a balanced hand. In a balanced hand you have no voids, no singletons, and at most one doubleton. So I'll show you some examples of balanced hands. Here's the first one. You have 5 hearts, 3 of each minor and 2 spades. So you have one doubleton. You're allowed to have at most one doubleton for a balanced hand. You have 14 high card points here, so you would open the bidding 1 heart. Let's assume your partner responds with 1 spade. You need to come up with another bid now because your partner's 1 spade shows unlimited points and it's forcing you need to bid something. He bid a new suit. You don't have a fit in spades. You can't bid any of your other suits because you can't bid a 3-card suit. So you bid 1 no trump, and that, as you know, is a limited bid. It shows 12 to 14 high card points, which is what you have. Here's a different type of balanced hand, a different shape. You've got 4 cards in your longest suit and 3 in all the others. Again, here you have 14 high card points, and you would open the bidding 1 diamond. Let's assume your partner responds with 1 spade. You're forced to bid again. You don't have another suit to bid, and you don't have a fit in spades that you know of because your partner's only showing 4 spades. So you would bid 1 no trump, which shows no fit and 12 to 14 high card points. And this is the last type of balanced hand. It's where you have 2 4-card suits, a 3-card suit and a 2-card suit. Here again, with your 14 high card points, you open the bidding 1 diamond. Your partner responds 1 spade again, and you would bid 1 no trump, again limiting your points to 12 to 14 and telling your partner that you don't have at least 4 spades. It's unlikely your partner has 4 hearts because he bid spades. As you know, if partner has 4 hearts and 4 spades, he bids them up the line, meaning he would bid hearts before he bids spades. So just showing you those balanced hands again. This one has 1 doubleton only. It's 5 3 3 2. This one is 4 3 3 3, and this one is 2 4-card suits, a 3-card suit and a doubleton. Next type of distributional hand is a 2-suited hand. So to have a 2-suited hand, you have to have at least 5 cards in one suit and at least 4 cards in another suit. You could have more. You could have 6 cards in one suit and 5 in the other, or 7 cards in one suit and 4 in the other. But you have to have at least 5 in one and at least 4 in the other. Here's an example of a 2-suited hand. You've got 5 diamonds and 4 clubs, and you have 13 high card points. So you would open the bidding here 1 diamond. Let's assume your partner responds with 1 spade. You are now able to show your partner your other suit, so you would bid 2 clubs, and that shows your partner that you have a 2-suited hand. So as soon as you bid those 2 clubs, you've told your partner that you have at least 5 diamonds. Your 1 diamond bid showed at least 4 diamonds. When you bid 2 clubs after that, you're saying to your partner, I actually have at least 5 diamonds and at least 4 clubs. You can see it gives your partner more information about what your hand looks like. And when you have these 2-suited hands, you always bid the longest suit first when they have different lengths. So here's a different 2-suited hand. Here you don't have a longer suit. Both of them have 5 cards each, 5 diamonds and 5 clubs. The rule here is that when you have equal length, when you have 2 5-card suits, you bid the higher ranking suit first. So you bid diamonds before you bid clubs. So you would open 1 diamond here. If you had spades and clubs, you would bid spades first. If you had hearts and diamonds, you would bid hearts first. You always bid the higher ranking suit first. So you open the bidding 1 diamond, your partner responds 1 spade, and again you can show your 2 suited hand by bidding 2 clubs, and that tells your partner that you have at least 5 diamonds and at least 4 clubs. In this case you do have a 5th club. So you can see that the bidding from the previous hand is exactly the same as the bidding for this one, and both of them show 2 suited hands. But what to remember from this one is that you must bid the higher ranking 5 card suit first. And finally, we're going to tell you about single suited hands. So those are hands where you have one suit that has 6 or more cards in it. So here's an example of a single suited hand. It has 6 cards in diamonds and it has 12 high card points. You would open the bidding 1 diamond. Your partner responds 1 spade, and because you have at least 6 cards in your own suit, you're allowed to rebid it, so you will bid 2 diamonds. So when you bid your own suit twice, you are showing 6 or more cards in that suit. So that's all we're doing on bidding. A little bit on play. We're going to talk about tricks by promotion. So that's how to make tricks when you don't have the top cards in the suit. So for example, here you've got your declarer, you've got 3 cards in spades, and your dummy has the king, queen, jack and the 8. You can see here that once the ace is gone, you're going to make tricks in spades. So if you need to make extra tricks, you want to play on spades until the ace is gone, and then your leftover high cards will be promoted to being the highest cards in that suit, and they will win tricks for you. So you'll win at least 2 and possibly a 3rd trick in spades if that 8 becomes the 13th spade. Here's another spade suit. You can see here you're missing the ace and the king, but you do have the queen, the jack, the 10 and the 9. So if you play on spades, eventually the opponents will take their ace and their king, and then you'll have 2 more spades that have been promoted to the highest spades, and you will make 2 spade tricks. And that is the end of our lesson.